Hello everybody and welcome to Machine King. Thanks for tuning in today. And what we're going to be doing is fixing this Troy-Bilt TB230 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Now before we get started in today's video, if you guys are new to the channel and you want to see more content like this, please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that way you can stay up to date on all the new content that I'll be posting here on Machine King. So, let's get right to it. Alright, for just a quick backstory on this Troy-Bilt, I was driving around a small neighborhood with my dad, and we were going down the street and we came across this Troy-Bilt, and we were taking the car, so I was like, well, why not we just drive back home and we can take the truck. So we drove back home, we took the truck, and we brought it back here, and here it is. So the first thing I'm gonna do to it is I'm gonna drain all the gasoline out of it, because as you can see there's some gasoline in there. So, and then I'll also take a look at inside the carburetor to see what it's like and what condition it's in and all that stuff. And from what I can tell, the previous owners of this lawnmower have already been taking stuff off of it. I see two missing hubcaps on this side. We got two hubcaps on this side. And they've already started taking off this shroud and this recoil cover. And they also took out the spark plug there too, as you can see. Looks like we also have some oil right there too. So what I'm gonna do is, I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video, but they also took off this brake cable right here for the bail. Alright, got a new bail cable on. That's kind of hanging off to the side right there just a little bit, but I'll go ahead and zip tie that up and should be good. I also went out to Lowe's and I picked up a spark plug, a quart of oil, and an air filter. So